Tom worked 32 years as an engineer. Melinda taught school most of her adult life. There were 2 clients from one of our Michigan offices. They saved consistently, they avoided debt, they did everything right. On paper, they were ready for retirement, but something felt off. Their investments were being managed, their taxes were being filed, yet each year money quietly slipped away. Not from recklessness, but because of their investment strategy and tax strategy were not working together. Hi, I'm Rick Barnett of Barnett Financial and Tax. In this video, I'll show you how families like Tom and Linda benefit when tax planning and investment management are coordinated, not separated. Before coming to us, Tom's investments were handled by one advisor. Their CPA prepared their return each spring. Both were capable. They each had a job and they did them well, but they weren't coordinating decisions. It's kind of like having 5 specialists taking care of your healthcare, but no good family doctor to integrate everything. Duplicate medications are prescribed with unforeseen interactions that often get another prescription. Not to mention the cost. Money and opportunity is wasted when specialists don't work together. Here's what happened to Tom and Linda. Investments were sold without thinking about the tax impact. Required withdrawals pushed them into higher tax brackets. Medicare premiums increased. Opportunities to shift money into tax-free accounts were missed. Social Security began without a long-term strategy, actually costing them money in the long run. Nothing catastrophic, just small decisions stacking up. For many entering retirement, this is where cracks appear. Income changes, paychecks stop, new income begins. What worked while working often fails in retirement. Without coordination, you react to tax bills instead of shaping them. Now meet David and Karen, 2 clients from our Charlotte, North Carolina office. David worked in the plant operations. Karen worked part-time while raising the kids. Taxes were unmanageable. The CPA wanted to help them, but he didn't work with a financial planner because he didn't have the expertise. The inability to work together for them was handicapping their financial plan at more expense. When David and Karen came in, they said something simple. We just want everything pulling in the same direction of our best interests. That's the Barnett advantage. We're an independent firm with an in-house CPA and accounting team. Tax planning and investment decisions happen together all year long. To quote Sylvester Stallone, that's what we do.
Who we are.
For David and Karen, that meant choosing which accounts to draw from first to minimize the taxes, and spreading income over several years to avoid jumping tax brackets. Also moving money into tax-free accounts at the right time, coordinating pension and Social Security carefully to maximize their income, and looking years ahead before making any changes. Instead of guessing, we measure. Instead of reacting, we plan. Our goal is simple. Create strong income while legally paying as little tax as possible. Well, let's go back to Tom and Linda. We don't overhaul everything. We make thoughtful adjustments. We change the order in which they should be withdrawing their money. Our investment team puts money into more tax-friendly accounts. We spread the gains over time and gradually move money into tax-free growth vehicles. Small shifts, but over time, meaningful difference. Lower lifetime taxes, more predictable income, fewer surprises. Taxes didn't disappear. They just stopped being accidental. In our second year working together, Tom said something I won't ever forget. For the first time, I feel like we're steering the ship instead of letting the storms do it. That's the difference. When investment decisions and tax strategies are aligned, you feel clarity instead of confusion, control instead of uncertainty, strategy instead of drift. If your investment management and tax planning are happening in separate conversations, you definitely may be missing opportunities to make the most of your money, and that's what it's all about. The quote for Tom Cruise was,
"Show me the money!"
At Barnett Financial and Tax, we bring everything under one coordinated framework. Every investment decision is evaluated with taxes in mind. If you'd like a no-cost visit or conversation with our team, call 1-800-425-7044, or you can email us at myteam@bftwealth.com. Thanks for watching. Until next time.